In today's video, I'll be sharing my exact trade plan for the Gbpusd USD. So guys, if you are new here, my name is Zeal, Forex trader with over 18 years trading experience. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's get straight to the chart. Let's start our analysis from the monthly time frame. The pounds USD on the monthly chart still have strong bullish momentum for buying opportunity. So what's the trend of the pounds USD on the monthly chart? You can see we still have this price creating lower low and a series of higher low. So long price is creating this series of higher low. This is a sign of strong bullish momentum for the pounds USD to the upside. So long we have this strong bullish momentum on the pounds USD, our job on the pounds USD is to look out for more of the buying opportunity on the pounds USD. We can see that from the candlestick anatomy of last month, you can see that we have this bullish candlestick converting this particular resistance into a support level, which indicates we expect price to touch this particular previous resistance. Then we can start looking for buying of price back to this particular resistance level. And a break of this resistance might trigger more buy for the pounds USD to the top. So this month, we still expect more of the bullish move on the pounds USD. So let's look at the weekly time frame of the pounds USD. So on my weekly time frame, we can clearly see that we still have price having this inner structure movement. We can see we have price having this sideways trend movement. So long price have this sideways movement, for us to see a big move, we need a break of this high, then we can start looking for the buy. Then we need a break below, we can start looking for a strong sell. So, but now we have price converting this particular support level. You can see price converted this particular support level into this particular resistance level into a support level. So long price convert this particular resistance into a support level, we need to look out for our major buying opportunity from this particular support level on the weekly time frame. Because if you are buying from a weekly major level, we expect price to move strongly to bullish from such level. So higher time frame strong levels are good areas for you to buy or sell any currency. So on this pounds USD, we have to look out for our possible buying opportunity from this particular zone, because this particular zone is a strong support level on the weekly time frame, which can push price back to this monthly resistance level on the Gbpusd USD. So long we have this lower low and higher low, this is a sign of reversal trend for the pounds USD. So once we see price creating a break of this high, this might trigger the major movement for the pounds USD. So let's go to the daily time frame. But before we look at the daily time frame, if you are a trader still find it difficult to make money in this market and you are serious about your trading, you can book on my one-on-one mentorship, or you can get my video courses. The link is in description below. On the daily time frame, let's look at the trend of the market. If the trend of the market supports the higher time frame, then we can start looking for either the buying opportunity or the selling opportunity on the pounds USD. So from my daily time frame now, we can clearly see that price is creating series of higher low. So long price is creating this series of higher low. This indicates the bullish momentum for the pounds USD. Then you can also see from my daily time frame that price is finding difficult to break this particular support level. So long price is finding difficult to break this support level and price has fake out of this level now. So long price fake out of this particular strong support level on the daily and also on the weekly, this might trigger the next big move for the pounds USD to this next resistance level. Then if price get to this resistance level and price fail to break it, we might see price doing a retest back to this particular previous resistance level, which is this resistance level, before we can see further buy for the pounds USD. So you can see clearly now that the weekly chart, the monthly chart, they are all in line for the bullish opportunity for the pounds USD. So let's look at the sell scenario for the pounds USD. For the sell scenario, we need price to create series of lower high. We need price to break below this area, then price retest, then price can start creating series of lower high. Then we can start looking for our possible selling opportunity from this particular level. So once we see price break below these levels and started creating a series of lower high, then we can start looking for possible selling opportunity on the pounds USD. But so long the higher time frame is telling us now that we have to look out for more of the buy than the sell, so we have to follow the instruction of the higher time frame. One good part of a trader, as a trader, you have to be consistent and stick to your trade plan. You have to know what the higher time frame is saying before making your decision, because the higher time frame have more control over the lower time frame. So don't forget to always make use of the top-down analysis to have good confirmation of a trade plan before executing. So always confirm your trade plan from the higher time frame to create a good confirmation and also synergy for your trade before executing on any pair. So if you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. Then you can also join my Telegram group. The link also is in the description below. So see you in my next video.